Y'all, this thing is so gross. I mean, look at all that mold and just insects. Now, all that brown stuff, that's all mold or moisture. So I'm going to get some measurements and see what we can do. I mean, look at that. That's just so disgusting. Ew. There's the hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the farmer.
On a U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, Boo. What?
Ew. Y'all, that was so gross. Ew. Y'all, that was so gross. Alright, I got all the hardware off. Now I need to recreate the front and back. Next step is to cut a groove for the bottom of the drawer to sit in. Now to measure the width of the bottom piece. I'm going to transfer the measurement onto this piece of Luan. Alright, I've marked and measured for the handle. Now I'm going to drill a hole for that. It's nice and breezy out here this morning. All right, let's assemble this drawer. First thing I'm going to do is clean up the hardware pieces. I have some rubbing alcohol. I'm going to clean this, and the drawer face. And when I'm all done with all of this stuff, I most likely will be painting that. I'm just using some rubbing alcohol just to get these pieces cleaned up. I was going to use some soap and water, but I also want to sanitize this stuff too. So the rubbing alcohol is perfect for that. How'd that happen? Huh. What the heck? I found my mistake. I cut those a little too short. I recut them, re-drilled the holes. Now, let's put this thing together. I got a clamp here to help me hold it together. The sides. Use this clamp to keep this thing. Keep everything put together. And now I'm just going to shoot some 1-inch brad nails in here. Alright, it's time to put the hardware on, or the shelf, or the drawer slides on. Alright, let's see. You find the center of this. Alright, y'all. Came out quite nicely. Nice, strong. It'll hold my stuff. Very happy with this.